Zhongshan XINHUI Electronics Company Limited was established in 2013, who are a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of wireless electronic doorbells, remote control switches, chargers, LED panel lights, downlights, calling service systems, and so on. We are located in the Xiaolan town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, with convenient transportation access. XINHUI adhered to technological innovation, strive for excellence, customer-centric strategic thinking, highlighting sincere win-win. We have export rights and independent research and development. We have professional R&D team, foreign trade team, and management team. XINHUI Company, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we obtained 68 product patents, CE, LVD, EMC, and ROSE certificates. For the past 10 years, we've been developing consumer electronics for buyers in Europe, Asia, South America, and Middle East. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.